put it in four-wheel drive. Come on back, Sport.
Put it in four low.
Okay, you got it.
Hey, out of the way, guys.
When we say go, because we don't want to fall in on the
I
house.
think he's gonna cut the backside of it.
You're doing fine. Just tighten her up. Tighten up the rope. Watch me. Okay, hold her. Okay. Yeah. Put a little more tension on it, Cole. Watch me get out there.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get somebody's death on video.
You guys all right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that cocksucker's fucking rotten.
Yeah. Look at the hole it dug out when it hit. Holy cow.
Wow. Wow.
You guys all right?
That could have been very bad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The crap out of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I thought it went quite well.
I got the.
Well, the good thing is it didn't hit the house or anybody.
Oh, and you guys.
Yeah.
House is one thing, your lives are a little different.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job, Wayne.
All right, well,
Yeah, good job, thing.
I'm not too tired now. How about you guys?
Still want to try to get that other one out there? Or? Good job.
I've never seen you guys move so fast.
Larry,
Larry, you'd have been dead.
I was gonna watch two people die right there.
You fucking told.
All right.